Hi everyone. I want to tell you about these wonderful grow lights that my family is really going to enjoy. They are exactly what members of my family need to grow the fruits and vegetables, get them started in the spring and to grow them indoors. This is a very popular hobby in my Northern California family. And so I think they're going to really love these Maygrove LED linear grow lights. I specifically chose the one that is both red light and white light enhanced. So it's a combination of the two kinds of light spectrums, red and white, which will maximize what they call this photosynthetic efficiency. In other words, it will help speed up the growth of different kinds of plants, in particular, plants that are fruiting or flowering, and make them grow faster, flower faster, and produce fruit more quickly. What I like about this is they'll have a variety of mounting options, including this double-sided tape you see here, clips, screws, everything you can imagine. So they're actually separated into, you can use the zip ties with a clip, you can use a clip with a screw, you can use the double-sided tape, or you can use a dual-ended clip. So there's a variety of ways, and this booklet explains them. The booklet that comes with the light also explains, and I'm going to get it up here close where you can see the different types of plants that this is good to use with, and what I particularly liked, how long they should be under the light. So if they should be under it 8 to 12 light hours, 14 to 16 hours, 10 to 12, whatever, is appropriate for that particular kind of light. It also has an explanation of how to, the different ways you can mount the lights. So you can see the different choices here, which is perfect. So I'm thrilled that it comes with this handy little booklet right in the box, and will save you a lot of, will answer a lot of your questions and save a lot of confusion. And each unit has its own separate on-off light, on-off switch. That way, if you've got different plants, if you've hung up all of these lights and you've got different types of plants under different lamps, then you can turn off the ones that you need to when you need to. It comes with all the wires you need to hook into the lamps and, plug into the switch. There's a set there, and there's another couple of sets. So exactly everything that you need. So all the wires you need, you can connect the lamps or use them individually. And I just think that these are going to be great for my family who they love to grow things. And my family members have a number of raised flower beds, and they also grow vegetables in them. So this is going to be a great way to get them started in the spring. So thanks a lot for letting me share, and I hope you'll give these a try. I think you'll find that they're an interesting way to start your plants off too. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.